Estella Reversible dough sheeters save time and labor by quickly rolling out several pounds of dough per minute. These durable units are designed for trained pastry chefs and bakers, making them ideal for high-volume bakeries or pizzerias. The machine must be cleaned every day that it is in use, especially the areas that contact dough. First, disconnect the power and remove the plug from the outlet. Next, open the safety guard and press the roller down to the minimum thickness using the thickness handle. Then, grab the plastic scraper with both hands and pull it out. Wipe flour off the plastic scraper and the roller with a cloth. Return the plastic scraper back to its original position. Press the roller up to the maximum thickness using the thickness handle. Next, loosen the springs under the belt. On the plastic scraper, push forward on the side without a spring, the right side, and the scraper will pop up automatically. Then, clean the plastic scraper with a cloth. Return the plastic scraper and the springs back to their original position. The belt should be cleaned with a plastic scraper or dry cloth. Dry thoroughly before next use. Proper maintenance is essential for the best long-lasting use of your machine. Combining a compact design and durability, Estella Reversible dough sheeters quickly and efficiently roll out large quantities of dough for your establishment.